If you've ever tried to chamfer a Boolean in 3ds Max and end up with pinching, uneven widths, or messy topology, this is the tool to fix it. Hey there, it's Colton with the 3ds Max Learning Channel. Every hard surface artist runs into this. You create a Boolean, the shape looks great, then you chamfer the intersections, and things get unpredictable. Corners pinch, topology gets dense, and suddenly you're fixing the chamfer instead of designing it. That's where Smart Bevel comes in. Today I'll show not just how to use it, but why it behaves differently, and why it produces cleaner results after Booleans. Traditional chamfer depends heavily on the underlying topology. It offsets along existing edges, so when a Boolean creates uneven spacing or intersections, chamfer just follows that geometry, whether it's ideal or not. See, the tool is doing exactly what it was designed to do, but it can't give you the results you want if the topology isn't suited for it. That's the gap Smart Bevel is designed to fill. Let's walk through a quick example. I've adjusted the viewport slightly so the topology and shading are easier to see. Now let's use a Boolean to cut into this model. The resulting edge is sharp, but you want to round it cleanly without damaging the surrounding geometry. Select your object, go to the Modify panel, and add Smart Bevel above your Boolean in the stack. Let's start with presets. Instead of dialing everything in manually, you can switch intent instantly. For example, cleaning up a Boolean or preparing for subdivision, so you can move between common tasks quickly. That's not just a convenience, it speeds up decision making, and you can create your own presets as well. Next, look at the selection rollout. By default, it's set to From Stack, which uses selections from below the stack. If you only want to target the Boolean intersections, switch this to a selection mode. Now let's shape the bevel. Width controls how far the bevel extends. It's measured in world units, so it stays consistent across the model. Segments control how smooth the bevel is. One gives you a straight chamfer. More segments create a smoother transition, but also add geometry, so use only what you need. And depth controls the profile shape. Negative values create a concave curve, 0 is linear, and positive values create a rounded or convex result. This lets you control how the surface transitions, and how light rolls across the edge. And there's also arc cleanup. When beveling tight areas, extra geometry can be created that doesn't affect the shape, but can cause shading issues. Arc cleanup automatically removes those unnecessary edges as you work. The result is cleaner topology and more predictable shading without manual cleanup, and it's enabled by default. Zooming out, Smart Bevel isn't just another modifier. It's designed for modern Boolean-heavy, non-destructive workflows. It gives you predictable width, clean topology, flexible control, and full integration with the modifier stack. That means you can adjust width, change profiles, or swap presets at any time without collapsing your model. Traditional chamfer is still powerful, but Smart Bevel is purpose-built for this kind of work. It gives you cleaner results, more control, and a fully procedural workflow inside 3ds Max. This should get you started, but if you want to explore more advanced options, check out the Smart Bevel docs. Take care.